In a model of a ship, the mast of 9 is 9 centimeter high. The mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model of the ship now? Nine centimeter high. Suppose here is a boat, means the long pole it will be there. No, that is called as mast. So now in a ship that is 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter high, while the mast in actual ship is 12 meter. So it is 9 centimeter actual ship. So actual ship here it is 12 meter. So this is actual and it is model. So in model it is 9 centimeter, actual ship it is 12 meter. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model? So this is 28 meter, means what is the length of this model? You have to find out now. So use this ratio, it is proportional. So actual ship, you can write to actual ship and model. So here, okay. So you can make two columns. So here the mast length, here length of ship you can write. They are in proportion. So here actual ship mast is 12 meter, means it is 9 centimeter in the model. 9 centimeter in the model. Okay. Then here actual ship is 28 meter long. Then what is the length of this model? So you can write here x. And another important thing you see, this is in meter and it is in centimeter. So you should convert this into meter. Both should be in the same units. Divide it by 100, it becomes 0.09 meter. Divide it by 100, it converts 0.09. Since it is in proportion, you can write 12 divided by 0.09 is equal to 28 divided by x. So now you can cross multiply here. 12x is equal to 28 into 0.09. X is equal to 28 into 0.09 divided by 12. Simplify this one now. 2 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 7s are. So now 7 into 0.09 divided by 3. 3 1s are 0.03. 7 into 0.03. So what is the answer here now? 7 3s are 21. 21 meter. So it is equal to 0.21 meter or 21 centimeter. Multiply by 100 to convert it into centimeter. So now length of the ship in the model. Length of ship in model is equal to 21 centimeter. So that is the solution. Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of sugar and in 1.25 kg of sugar? So you can draw a table here. First one here. So weight and then number of crystals. So number of crystals. So first one here. 2 kg sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there? First one in 5 kg and then in the second one 1.2 kg. So this you write here x and this one as y. Since it is in direct proportion, equate the ratios now. 2 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 5 divided by x. 5 divided by x. So cross multiply here. 2 into x is equal to 5 into 10 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 6. X is equal to 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2. So now we divide this one. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are. So x is equal to 5 into 4.5 into 10 to the power 6. X is equal to 5 is 25 to 22.5 into 10 raised to the power 6. So this is the number of crystals in 5 kg sugar. Same thing we can find out the number of crystal in 1.2 kg. So equate this one, same thing, 2 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 6. Here 1.2 kg instead of 5 kg. Instead of 5 kg, you can take 1.2 kg divided by y. So divided by y. So 2y is equal to 1.2 into 9 into 10 raised to the power 6. Or y is equal to 1.2 into 9 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 2. So divide this one, 0.6. Y is equal to 0.6 into 9 into 10 to the power 6. Y is equal to, multiply this one, 9 6 5.4 into 10 to the power 6.
Say 5.2.
5.4. This is the
10 to the power of 6.
This is the number of crystals. Or we can write 54 into 10 to the power 5. We can write 54 into 10 to the power 5. It is a number. 54 into 10 to the power 5. This one you can write 225 into 10 to the power 5. 110. 110 you can multiply here, then it becomes a whole number. Decimal converts to whole number. 225 into 10 to the power 5. Here 54 into 10 to the power 5. So 5 kg contains 225 into 10 to the power 5. So 1.2 kg contains 54 into 10 to the power 5 crystals. See, Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. She drives on a road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in map? Distance in map, we can make a table. Distance in map, then actual distance. Actual distance covered. So if you represent 1 centimeter for 18 kilometer, distance in map 1 centimeter, actual length here 18 kilometer. Now your question is, if the distance covered is 72 kilometer, so what is the distance on the map? So you can write here x. So it is in centimeter, it is in kilometer. Okay. So now the ratios will be always constant, you know. So now you can convert this into centimeter and do this. Okay. So now 18 kilometer, to convert this, see 1 divided by 18 kilometer. Kilo means 1000, 18,000 meter. Into 100 if you multiply, then again 2 more zeros. It converts into centimeter. See, kilometer means, kilo means 1000. You multiply 1000, it becomes 1000 meter. Again meter means 110 centimeter. 1000 into 100 centimeter. So 5 zeros will be there. So 18 kilometer means this much centimeter is equal to x divided by 72 kilometer. Again convert this into centimeter. 72 followed by 5 zeros. So it is in centimeter. Now simplify this. X into 18 is equal to 72 followed by 5 zeros. So x is equal to 72 followed by 5 zeros. 18 followed by 5 zeros. So these zeros cancels. Divide this one.
18 fours are.
18 ones are 18 fours are. X is equal to
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter on the map.
Then 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter on the map. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter line. The vertical pole and its a shadow will be like this. If there is a sun here, this is a vertical pole means the pole forms a shadow here. So here 5 meter 60 centimeter. forms 3 meter 20 centimeter long. So you can make the pole length of pole and the length of shadow. Length of shadow. 2 rows you can write here. You can draw a table like this. So length of pole here 5 meter 60 centimeter. 5 meter 60 centimeter. Then length of its shadow here 3 meter 20 centimeter. 3 meter 20 centimeter. So the next question here. First question. The length of the shadow of another pole. See, the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter. Find the length of the shadow cast by another pole. So this height of the pole is given 10 meter 50 centimeter. 10 meter 50 centimeter. So you need to find out this shadow. So the next one. The height of the pole you have to calculate, which cast a shadow 5 meter long. Shadow length is given 5 meter long. So you have to find out this height of the pole. See, now it is in direct proportion. So you keep everything in meters. 5 meter 60 centimeter you can keep in decimal form 5.6. Divide this one by 100. 0.6. 5.6. This one also divided by 100. 0.2 plus 3, 3.2. So divided by 3.2 is equal to, equate this, 10.5 divided by x. Convert this in completely into meter. 50 divided by 100, 0.5. So it is 10.5. Cross multiply here, 5.6 into x is equal to 10.5 to 3.2. X is equal to 10.5 3.2 divided by 5.6. So make this completely a whole number. So you are going to shift 2 digits here. Here 1 digit 105. Here 32. 2 digits you have shifted in the numerator. Here also you have to shift 2 digits. 56 means 1 digit. Put 1 more 0. So simplify this one. Simplify it by dividing it now. 8 4s are 32. 8 7s are. So 105 again. 5 1s are. 5 1s are. 5 4s are. Then 5 2s are. 5 1s are. 7 2s are. 7 3s are. 2 1s are. 2 2s are. 3 2s are 6 meters. 6 meter. So this answer here, length of the shadow, first one, case 1, so 6 meter. So length of the shadow is equal to, length of shadow is equal to 6 meter for the first question. And the second one, they have given the length of the shadow, you need to find out the height of the pole. So now you equate this one, 5.6 divided by 3.2. First ratio, 5.6 divided by 3.2 is equal to y divided by 5. So 5.6 into 5 is equal to y into 3.2. So y is equal to 5.6 into 5 divided by 3.2. So if you make it a whole number, 56 into 5 divided by 32. Okay. 8 4s are. 8 7s are. 7 5 is 35 by 4. Y is equal to. So if you divide this one, 8.75 meters. So the height of the pole is 8.75 meters. So height of pole is equal to 8.75 meter, otherwise 8 meters 75 centimeters. A loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? You can write the distance covered, distance and the time taken. So you can make a table like this with the distance and time. So a truck covers 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. 25 minutes. The question here, the same speed in 5 hours, how much distance it covers? 5 hours, how much distance it covers? So you can write here x. So it is in minutes. You can convert this also in minutes. Okay. So now 5 hours can be written as 5 into 60 minutes. Okay. 300 minutes. Instead of writing this in hours, you convert that into minutes because this is also given in minutes. Okay. Now you can write the ratio like this also: 14 by x, 25 by 300. So same ratio, distance ratio and the time ratio will be same. So you can write like this also: 14 by x is also same as 25 by 300. You can write like this also: distance, ratio of the direct distance and the ratio of the time. So now you can simplify this one. 25x is equal to 300 into 14. X is equal to 300 into 14 divided by 25. Simplify this one. 25 ones are, so 25 ones are 25 twos are.
Sir, 2, sir.
So now x is
Sir,
equal to
168. Sir, 168.
12 into 14.
Sir, 168.
168. What is that x? Kilometer.
Kilometer.
So 168 kilometer. It covers 168 kilometers in 5 hours.